episode of GIS Newsroom. This is Naisha Solanki, your host for today, reporting live from GEMS International School, Palam Vihar. In pursuit of providing quality and truly global education at the doorstep for all students, our school GIS is now a certified Cambridge Assessment Center for English. GIS is now certified not only as an assessment center but also has been training students as well as teachers for these qualifications at different levels. Hence, our school will be offering Cambridge English qualifications in the form of in-depth exams that will make learning English enjoyable, effective, and rewarding. Great viewers, there are live updates about something remarkable. It seems that valuable press release has been issued about the Student Council elections. Anak Prabhakar is in an exclusive interaction with some teachers. Yes, viewers, you heard me right. An exclusive interaction about Student Council elections. So over to you, Anak.
Leadership is all about charismatic personality. The one who touches heart, ignites minds, opens eyes, and encourages laughter and joy.
I strongly believe to lead is to empower.
Greetings to all our friends. We have some news flash. The dates for the election process are from 12th to 16th July. Election process will begin from 12th July when final nominated students will be selected. The campaigning by the nominated candidates will be done on 14th July. Voting of Student Council is on 15th July. And yes, students, don't forget to vote for the best leader of your choice in different categories. And on 16th July, there is a final round for the selection of Student Council members. And finally, the Invest Teacher ceremony will be organized on 26th July. Now, we wish all the best to all the candidates and may the deserving candidate win. Signing off for now.
Proceeding further, Bhavya Bhatla and Pradnya Bhatt are reporting to us with an awareness program about zero plastic living. So over to our next two reporters, Bhavya and Pradnya.
There is something stopping our lives from being fantastic, day by day making our world drastic.
Could it be homework? Could it be my awesome perk? Just kidding, I know, it's plastic.
Wow, what an eye you have got. Anyways, what I meant to say was, everybody knows the problem.
What humans are doing to the earth is so very similar to my mother adding bangan in my pizza, polluting the pizza, I mean the earth.
International Plastic Bag Free Day, celebrated internationally on July 3rd every year, remind us that those single-use plastic bags we pick up from the retailers are used for an incredibly short time and are then disposed of. So then what is the solution?
In the general sense, I believe our main motive should be preventing plastic from entering the environment, avoiding health risks, realizing absolute reduction in plastic production. The main solution for this could be the very basic 3R rule. Reuse, reduce and recycle the things around you. Even if you have plastic bags lying around, don't just throw them away. You can use them as extra trash bags or an alternative to a lunch box.
Now Pradnya, it is important for us to give some alternatives for the plastic. Alternatives could be bagasse, a byproduct of sugarcane processing. Palm leaves and mushroom packaging can be used instead of plastic packaging.
Stainless steel. Encourage the buying of products made naturally from plants like bamboo and jute. We can use traditional Indian wooden items and glass utensils at home instead of plastic utensils.
Always carry and use your own cloth or jute bag to the grocery stores. Unused pieces of cloth or cloth can be stitched to make bags.
You can carry your own water bottle instead of buying a single-use plastic one every time.
Old plastic containers can be used to grow plants. Practice your green thumb. Any time will be perfect to finally plant a new tree or a plant some nice flowers.
GEMS initiatives this year to spread awareness were very effective as we received tremendous response from the students. Social media pages were filled with posts about the International Plastic Bag Free Day, Eco One projects that inspired, and of course the Eco Bricks. I still have mine. Assemblies were conducted to spread awareness among the students and their friends and families.
Last but not the least, Anak Prabhakar, Pratyaksh Arora, and Ayush Anand Sharma are here with us to inform us about the wide range of exciting upcoming events in our school.
Hello viewers, Ayush Anand Sharma reporting live from the studio of GIS Newsroom. Let us see top 5 upcoming events in GIS. GIS Palam Vihar has been inculcating GCE in their education. Global citizenship education is a form of civic learning that involves students' active participation in projects that address global issues of a social, political, economic, or environmental nature. Keeping up with this vision, school has initiated GCE special assemblies to empower learners to engage in active roles, both locally and globally. To make them aware of global issues, respect for diversity, education for international and intercultural understanding, critical inquiry, and collaborative approach to education. Big applause to the entire school community. Proud to be part of GEMS family. Have a great day. Over to Pratyaksh.
Thank you, Ayush. Rightly said. We all are proud to be part of the GEMS society. Hello, my dear viewers. Here I will enlighten you about some more programs tailored made to empower us. Student-led conference, as the name itself says, is purely led by students. One of our main upcoming events, showcase of all the activities done. Don't forget to attend the same, students and dear parents. The dates are 30 and 31st of July. The Stream Fest 2021. Science, technology, reading, engineering, art, and mathematics is hosted by JIS Palam Vihar. In the spirit of collaboration rather than competition, the GEMS International Stream Festival 2021 is a forum for us to discuss, debate, rethink, listen, and enunciate our thoughts. GEMS Stream Festival will be organized on 22nd and 23rd July 2021. Let's fasten our seatbelts. Here we have a reporter, Anak, now on board.
Greetings to all our friends. We have some news flash. The dates for the election process are from 12th to 16th July. Election process will begin from 12th July when final nominated students will be selected. The campaigning by the nominated candidates will be done on 14th July. Voting of student council is on 15th July. And yes, students, don't forget to vote for the best leader of your choice in different categories. And on 16th July, there is final round for the selection of student council members. And finally, the Invest Teacher ceremony will be organized on 26th July. Now, we wish all the best to all the candidates and may the deserving candidate win. Signing off for now.
Thank you, dear reporters. Now, viewers, it's definitely appreciable that GIS is applying several methods and strategies in our education system to enhance not only the holistic development of students, but also various values that can help us in becoming a better individual. So this is your host, Naisha Solanki, signing off. Thank you and have a great day. Stay tuned for more episodes of Newsroom at GEMS International School.